So hard.
Gemacht und das ganze Teil wird getrimmt.
We are just having fun here.
Hochgefahren zum Takeoff.
Ready? Let's go. Rustle a little bit. Right, sorry.
More right, more right. Yeah, just straight.
And left. Wow, nice.
There are trees, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, the door is open, I think. Oh, the door is open.
Oh.
The headshot.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
landing.
Landing.
Okay.
Just straight.
Ja.
Du kannst dann kommen, ist alles frei.
With a little bit of trust, yes.
More right, right. Close, Russell.
So hard. So hard from him. Oh my god.
Ah, the 777. The 777 had kind of
Yeah,
inches
locks. Yeah, I have to add this here.
which- Yeah. You have
Because
to.
it was doing this. The pressure was, I don't know. Yeah, we saved it.
Stuff, man.
I
the landing was-
I was scared.
I know, me too.
I mean,
How about me?
my knees were.
So is the gear okay?
No, it just bent. Yeah, I will buy a new set for it. It's just bullshit. Because I made it at home. It's just 10 millimeters aluminum.
Okay. But still, good enough for the first flight. Huh?
Crazy.
Everything's still here.
Yeah.
I was afraid that the batteries spoiled.
No, they are so good. And the power is amazing. Here,
Takeoff was so early.
Yeah, takeoff, and here I could abort the landing. But the crosswind freaked me out. The second time I came there. So
Are you still filming?
yeah, you are in the video.
I'm the boss.
But at least we have footage here. But
He's
now
not
you see
allowed
the
to
hatch
fly
open.
anymore. He's dangerous for the community.
Closer to Russell.